Hi, Doug Hankey, Lake Chevrolet, Buick GMC. Today I'd like to show you some of the safety features in the 2018 GMC Acadia. Features like the lane change alert, side blind zone alerts. We got low speed forward automatic braking. We got front pedestrian braking, intelligent beam headlamps, front and rear park assist, the rear camera, a rear cross traffic alert. I got lane keep assist with lane departure warning, a following distance indicator, a forward collision alert, a safety alert seat, 10 airbags, and of course, OnStar's automatic crash response. A few days ago, I was in that vehicle. And I can say I'm here today to do this video with nothing more than a little scratch on my head because of the oldest form of safety technology, my seatbelt. So stop in for an awesome deal on a newer used vehicle and see me, Doug Hankey at Lake Chevrolet. But before you come, please buckle up.